My bookshelf is in dire need of a reorganization, and I've been putting it off for far too long, so I finally told myself I gotta do it. And that's what we're here today to do. Let's reorganize my shelf. I gotta take everything out and make sure everything's easy to find, and yeah, time for the time lapse. Alright, so at this point I just decided I might as well skip all this reorganization, so here you go. And for the bottom shelf, I didn't really do much. I just kind of reorganized things a little bit to make it a little more neat, but other than that, it didn't need much cleaning up. And I'm just going to skip some of this because I'm just running around moving books around, so you're welcome. My goal always when reorganizing my shelf is to not just make it better or cleaner or neater, but also to make it new, make it a new look, make different books shine on their shelf. So in this case, I put Keeper of the Lost Cities more up front. My goal is just to show different books and kind of just display, let each book have their turn on the top shelf.